Nerf your trinket. Yeah, let's have the ring on the pole as well. I think everything got kind of thrown off by that at the start.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The Eredar are no strangers to war. Are you so eager to meet your end?
3, 2, 1.
Enforcer, enact my will!
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Beware.
Righteous fire!
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
5,
DPS add a bit.
3.
No, just switch to add now.
One.
Damage to the ad.
Beware.
Don't push on Hari yet.
Righteous fire!
3, 2,
You are getting
1.
so very frail and weak.
Alright, just single target for Hari now. Don't worry about the ad, just leave him down. Let our arms warriors execute him.
Your thoughts insidious.
Okay, switch to the Enforcer now because Harbinger's about to spawn.
3, 2, 1.
Ring, got lost.
Yep, do it now.
Your attempts meaningless. Harbinger, restore my wounds.
I got the ad. Interrupt, who's first?
Me. Someone take next.
Destruction.
I'll do this one.
Your attempts meaningless.
I'll take next. Strong on running high.
Someone take next. I'll do this one.
Your attempts meaningless.
Switch to Harbinger now.
This is where
All damage on Harbinger.
I'll take next.
Yep.
Stack.
3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Being range reported.
Still a long time to
Do
lead it.
not drop fire on portal here. Do not drop fire on
2,
portal.
1.
Click portal, then get on orange. Get ready for Edict.
Don't be at orange yet.
Devo.
1. Beware.
On
One
orange
on
now.
now.
Stop damaging Velhari.
3, 2, 1.
Push Velhari now.
3,
Get ready for fire in 2,
2,
1.
1.
Move. Get the ad, Aldrich.
Good day, good
3, 2, 1.
Should I ring now?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, unload on the
Three.
Sovereign, blow him up.
2, 1.
Beware.
James Amp.
Get in the wall, get ready for the gavel. Stay alive for these gavel ticks now. Stay stacked on the tanks.
3, 2, 1.
Swap, Audrey.
Derek, come and
Oh, yeah,
careful.
sorry.
3,
Get ready to move out with the edicts.
1.
Get out there. Stay alive.
Let's cryo.
Taunting in full. Get Krieger and Stronghorn up. Get our executors up.
1. Three, 2, 1.
Just rest him in, bro.
Not personals,
Ah.
not personals. Use your tonics.
3, 2, 1.
Get out of the fire. Prioritize dots here. Any
Three,
personals and tonics you have
2,
left.
1.
On the bus. GG.
Finally, Jesus Christ.
Finally,
Fucking
damn,
hell.
nice.
Good job, guys.
Nice one for the loot.
Sweet maces.